Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Very quickly, I'm going to show you how to change color in Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have this football and I'm going to change that red to another color. Okay, now on your photo, it's important if you want to use this method for changing color, you have to pick a color which isn't going to clash with the rest of your image. Okay, so if this football was green, I couldn't change the football without changing the grass as well. Okay, that's the important thing to note. So, how do we do it? We go into effects and you want to type change to color. Funnily enough, if I can spell it right, that'd be easy. Change to color. Okay, funnily enough, that is the one you need. Now, head up into effect controls on that clip you just applied it to, and then you'll see these two colors here. Okay, you have from and to. They're both white at the moment. So you want to pick from. I would suggest using this little icon here, and you go find that red or the part you want to change, okay? And as I said before, you have to pick a color which isn't going to clash with anything else in your image, okay? Now, the two, let's change what color we're going to move it to, okay? So let's go fully in the bottom right hand corner, so you're going to get the actual color, and just choose any color. So let's choose green. Let's press OK. Boom, look at that. Okay, that's nice and green. Now, if you wanted to go with a black or a white, you're going to want to change to hue and lightness. Okay, and then you change it here. So lightness. Oh, sorry, let's change that color very quickly, actually. Let's do a white now. Let's do whiteness 100%. Yep. And then if you wanted to do black, then you pick the black and you can do lightness 0%. Alright, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.